Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome to It's Me TV. I hope you've had a good start to your new year. So, if you'd like to see what I get up to when I go fabric shopping to make an outfit, then keep on watching. Oh, this is cute. Yeah, so cute. That's okay. Neutral blankets, flower vases, just general decor items. I've been itching to share these items, so this is my chance. Oh, they're so nice. There's some generic pieces, but there are a few unique pieces too. Like that one there. It's cool. I'm not sure what it is though. One extended. Nice. Look at these artwork. It was something, that big one looks interesting. I haven't made up my mind. I like the abstract design, the one in the middle, the black. And the other one, this kind of simple things look good to me. See what I end up getting. So I'm out fabric shopping again today. Just looking for one item, which is lining for this. Let me show you. Can you see? So that's the fabric. So this was where I need to check. I'll do a quick match with these and the fabric and see which one best suits it, and then just go for it. Yep. It's looking more like this one. In person this looks closer, but looking at it through my phone, this is looking like it. I'll just do a quick test and then I'll decide. This is what Let's see.
Yeah, that'll work. I'll put it back. green, maybe that's the red. Maybe that's for the blues and the red.
Yeah, sure. Jump side, hey, compatible.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here you go.
That one.
And then I just half a meter. And then just make sure it's as well.
Yeah, half a meter will be more.
There's your half a
Yeah, more.
double check it. It's usually.
I don't know. What's that? Oh, is that it? Or cotton board cloth? Is this cotton board cloth?
Yeah, I just use it.
Cloth one. Oh, it's a tag on the bottom.
I just found this fabric that seems like it can match, but the problem is it's too thick. It cannot be used as lining. Should not be used as lining actually, because it's too thick. Let me see, what fabric is this? Linen, yeah, and it's a thick one, so I'm not also considering satin. I was really trying to avoid satin, but I'm not very confident in the plain cotton I've chosen, so that's why I'm thinking of alternatives. This is too bright in my opinion. Let's see how that goes there. So I'm done shopping. Yeah, you see what I got eventually. I've had my crew waiting for a bit. Let's go home. Hello everyone, so these are the fabrics I ended up buying at the shop. I ended up getting a satin, so that goes directly under the lace. This is the lace I'm working with, and then I'll put the satin over like so, and then because the satin will be interfaced like this, I'll need to cover it with cotton lining. So for that, I got this one. I guess this is the one I was showing. This is the one I was showing at the shop. So that's the cotton that goes underneath the satin. So that's what I got. I'll just show a brief process of what I'm making.